Today let us start this logo designing, how to design the logo in Coreldraw. So let us see the first logo, that is this. You can see this is a triangle, and inside the triangle there is one more triangle is there. Okay, so let us design this logo. So what I'll do, in Coreldraw I'll draw one box. I'll zoom this area, I'll draw one box here. Okay, so I'll draw one box, or even you can take polygonal tool from here. Polygonal tool you can take, draw the sides, here, and I want three sides, so make it what, three sides here, 1 2 3. Okay, you can do this way also, or you can take the, I'll repeat once more, you can take the polygonal tool, draw the polygon here, reduce the size, number of sides here, make it 3 for triangle. Okay, or you can take the rectangle like this. You can take the rectangle, control Q, take the shape tool, mark one node here, double click, delete this node and delete this node. This way also you can do, you can take anything, delete this too. Okay, so I'll prefer this. So I have done this triangle. So after doing the triangle, after designing the triangle, make one more. I'll just make it flat like this. I'll just try to make it flat like this. Okay, and I'll make one more copy of this. Same thing, I'll say plus, and with the shift key I'll drag this up. With the shift key you take the corner handle and drag it. Okay, and then you can take these dots down here. Okay, take care that all the side, this side, this side and this side is equal. This I'll take it slightly down. Okay, now you can see this with the shift key I'll pull it this side. Now you can see this angle, this is, and this is almost same now. Okay, after doing this too, so what, I'll repeat once more. So delete it. I can take the polygonal also, or a square. So I'll take polygon now. Just draw the polygon. Take what number of sides, I'll type 3 here, enter. There are 3 sides. Okay, then you take the move tool, slightly make it bigger. Okay, shift key, drag it. Okay, done. After dragging this, make a plus copy of this, and with the corner handle and the shift key, pull it inside. With the corner handle and the shift key, pull it inside. Okay, now you drag this down. Without shift key you drag this down here, and with the shift key you pull this side. With the shift key you pull this side slightly. Okay, this side should be equal. Okay, now it is done. After doing this rectangle and this rectangle, if I see there is a difference here between group, you know how we make the group. If I highlight both and try to create a group, if by pressing Ctrl G, if I make this group, remember this group is a temporary group, but both the objects are different. If I try to fill the color, see this color you will get in both the rectangle. Even in this rectangle the color will fill, and this rectangle also color will fill. So what I want here, I don't want a group. I'll say ungroup it now. I'll say undo, Ctrl Z, I'll press undo it, ungroup it, Ctrl U, I'll press ungroup. So both the objects are different now. I don't want to group it, but I want to combine it. When you combine it, I will get only the frame like this. Okay, so I'll combine it. I'll highlight all this, go to the object and say combine. There is option called, you can press Ctrl L also for combining. So when you click on combine, now see, try to put the color. See, you will get a color only for this frame. Understood the difference between grouping and combining? For example, I'll show you one more. If I take the circle, okay, and I'll make one more copy of the circle. I'll take it inside, and if I try to combine this, Control L or group and say combine. Remember now, this is one object now. nothing is there here. If I try to fill the color, it will be round like this. Okay, so same thing what I did. First I made the triangle either by square or by polygonal. Then I made one more copy of the triangle, pulled it inside, so the double triangle, then highlighted everything and made it what? Object, and say combine it. Okay, so I'll remove the color, I don't want it, so I'll right click, I'll just click here. Okay, click here to remove the color. But outline I want slightly bigger, so outline I'll select slightly, say I want 2 points. 2 points it's too big, so I'll say 1.5. That's it. Okay, now what I want, see here in this logo, there is a cut here. This part is different and this part is different. So what I'll do, I'll make one box here. I'll take the box here, draw one box here, somewhere here, take it slightly down. Okay, enough. Then highlight both and trim it. Trim we have done already. I want to cut that part. Trim, and then you delete this box. See, this part and this part is different. Okay, now what I want is this part and this part I want to separate. Even though I cut this, it becomes one part only. To break it into two parts, I'll go to the object again and say break a part 2. Okay, I'll just click on this one. Now see, this is separate and this is separate. I'll do the entire thing again and show you. Take rectangle or polygonal lasso tool, draw it, polygonal tool, make it 3 sides. This becomes exact triangle. Then I'll take the move tool, slightly bigger one, make one more copy of this, plus take it with the shift key, you take it inside, done. Then you drag this slightly here down, then with the shift key you drag this also. That's it. Okay, then highlight both. Okay, increase what? Outline of that slightly 1.75. okay, I'll do it here somewhere. Then highlight both, and what I'll do, I'll make it what? Trim. When I click on trim, I'm getting this area. Circle. Draw the circle so that this line should cross here. You can take it slightly up here, and this I can take it away from slightly. Okay, done. Doing slightly down, not so up to here. Okay, it should come this way. Now one more circle I'll take and make this circle down, get it down up to this point. See, this point should join to this line, because here, see, it is this circle is moving from here, so I'll draw that circle exactly with this point. Done. Now select this circle and this circle. There are two circles, this circle and this circle. Okay, I'll select this circle, shift key, this circle. Don't try to select this way because this one also will get selected. So I don't want that. Select this circle, shift key, this circle, and trim it. Now you delete this and see this I am getting the separate. Okay, now my job is here in this logo it is merged with this. So this object, shift key, and this object, now this object I will weld. Now you can see it becomes one. Here I will put the color this,